I'd been doing our spring cleaning and decorating videos, but during all of that, our mudroom kind of got out of hand, and this day was actually the first day it was pretty warm. And for our mudroom, we shut off the door. You'll see it here in a minute, but we shut the door off so that, all the cold air and everything just stays in the mudroom. But here it is, a complete mess, a disaster, and I'm going to try to get it all together today. Yeah, I realized it would have been easier just to move it, but I didn't, so I'm just gonna pick everything up that I got from under it. I'll move it later. And there's the door that I was talking about earlier that we closed to keep all the cold air in the mudroom. Eventually we're going to replace it with a barn door, but we had this door blank, so we went ahead and used it, and it works for now. I'm actually giving one of these steam mops away in one of my other videos. I'll post it right here. Go over, check that video out, subscribe, and make sure that you're subscribed, and you could win one of these. I love this steam mop. Here I'm using Young Living Peace and Calming blend. It has a mixture of ylang ylang, orange tangerine, patchouli, and blue tansy, I believe. But it just smells really good. And I just put a couple drops on the floor, and the steamer kind of puts it up in the air, and it really does smell really good. And peace and calming when you walk through the door. Pretty good idea. Go ahead and leave your troubles at the door, along with your shoes. I like to redo our chalkboard every so often, and I figured this was a good one for spring. Here I am just cleaning up some of the lettering. starting to get warm out, so I figure we don't need this many coats out. I'll still leave some out for the colder days, but the rest of them will go in the coat closet and clean this place up a little bit. I know it may seem like a lot, but I actually only used about 8 drops on this whole floor. I don't even really use it for the cleaning as much as I do for the smell. You use it, put it on the floor, use it with the steam cleaner, and it's kind of like a diffuser. It just makes the whole room smell good. With the steam mop, actually steam cleaning in general, it essentially trades heat for chemicals, and they say if you use it correctly, steam can kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria. But right now, I think everything is claiming to kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria. I don't know about killing germs, but it sure did make my floor shine up. And here's our mudroom after I've got everything all cleaned up, picked up, and put away. It's definitely a better entrance to our house than what it was. I still have to decorate it, but it's getting there, and it definitely smells a whole lot better, and it's a whole lot more welcoming being cleaned up than what it was before.